Hey guys, welcome back to John Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out My Heroes One's Justice 2 for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card, running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode because you really need it for Nintendo Switch games. Apparently, they don't play around. They clearly don't play around. So we're here today to test out how this game is going to perform, a little laid back game. I did a bunch of benchmarks on the PC version, and because I'm aiming to test every game on the Switch, RPCS3, and Xenia, I do ones that are tested on PC just to show you the progress for the YUZU emulator. That's all it is really. So I'm curious to see what's going to happen. Why is Inasa Yurashi on the bad side? Is he a villain? When did he become a villain? I'm not even gonna come think with that. Nonetheless though, this is the first time I'm playing the game, so it will have to compile in shaders, which is always good. I want you guys to see it compiling shaders. I always want that. I want you all to see how the game naturally will perform for me. We're just gonna really quick. Oh yeah, it's just gonna do nothing. I have it already capped. Okay, great. So obviously, like I said, it's compiling shaders. Look how much shaders it's building in right now to get the game playable. It has to do that, so we're just gonna give it a few seconds. I want to see if it's playable first time around, or do you need to keep playing it a bunch of times to, actually be able to play this damn thing? We'll see. I am getting stutters. Let's build in some shaders first. I did pick an area that seems like it has a lot of stuff in it. No, I think this would be. Oh, geez, holy crap! I didn't expect all that stuff. Like I said, it has to build in everything here. Games like these where they have so much stuff to build in is, it takes a bit more, but it seems like it's managed to figure it out. I feel like it's done it actually. So yeah, you could probably run My Hero. I don't know why you would, but like I said, just to show you the progress of the emulator, this is fully playable. This is definitely fully playable. With all these environments I just smashed through, the less intensive maps especially will be much easier. I'm actually going to run back this level after I'm done. Look, everything's so destructible. Holy crap. So destructible. Oh crap, I went crazy there just now. I totally did. It's trying to keep up though, which I do find impressive. He didn't hit me once, seriously? There's also the reason that's why I picked Bakugo as well, because of the explosiveness. Oh wow, I actually ran into that. Alright, I brought All Might in again. Didn't do as much damage this time. So you see how easy it is? It's so much better all of a sudden. That's how these fighters work. You just need to build in the map. But it's actually more impressive to build in the map the first time you're actually playing it. Especially with all the destructive things around here. It's crazy. Nice. That was beautiful. I keep saying though, it seems to me YUZU definitely needs 16 gigs of RAM. Or at least 12. I think you need at least 12 gigs of RAM to play these games here. It just seems like that's the case. Let's try it again and see what kind of performance we get. But yeah, it does seem like you need about 12 gigs of RAM. It always goes from 8 to 9. Kind of crazy because the game don't even take that much. Look at that. In these areas now, these are running at 60 FPS where it wasn't before. Ow, did you just hit me? Now, we're not going to get as much building shaders. Obviously, there are areas where we're still going to get them, but it's going to play much better this time around. And we're not going to get stutter like we did the first time around. Holy crap, look at that! Dude! Is this real life? Maybe I picked it way too well a good area. This area is insane. Oh, jeez. This area is literally insane. This area has so much destruction. Destructible environments, man. But I digress. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Smash that subscribe button if you guys enjoy the content I put out, man. I put out a lot of videos constantly, so the subs really help me stay on top, man. Try to be the best benchmark channel out there. I test like maybe up to 10 games a day on integrated graphics or emulator. It can be very different. Or the RX-570. It can be a lot. The VRAM for this is taking up 2 gigs of VRAM on an emulator. Crazy. YUZU is becoming something you need such beefy specs for. But I digress. I hope you guys enjoyed and just enjoy the rest of the gameplay until the video ends.